What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So last night we picked ourselves up this here John boat. Traded it for a golf cart, and we were wondering, what do you think? Should we take a little time away from our big boat project and maybe fix this thing up for you guys, do a little John boat series? I was thinking possibly maybe after 3,000 subscribers, so we can get our sponsorship from Florida Fiberglass, possibly giving it away to one of our subscribers. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Do you want to see us do a full build on this thing, or should we just trade it for parts for our big boat? I don't know. Comment below. All right, so my thoughts on this would be to build a back deck here, move this, obviously, one small back deck, a center console in the middle, and have enough room to walk around. Curious on the floors, if you guys think a floor would be a good idea, or just kind of leave it the way that it is. If I am going to be giving this boat away, it is going to be to one of my followers, so I would like your thoughts on how you think this thing should be built out. Obviously a new trailer, because nobody wants to ride around like this. Look kind of hokey, not in front. But it does have a trolling motor on the front. I haven't checked to see if that works yet, but that will be connected if it does work. And I'm thinking some Line-X, some Rhino line, something like that on the inside, if we don't do the flooring. But if we are in the Brevard County area, so if anybody does have like a 17-foot John boat for a good deal, let me know. We'll go from there. All right, so we're back here at the big boat. We got to clean this thing out. Thinking maybe about an hour's worth of work here. Gonna get all flattened out, smoothed out. Trying to figure out what I want to do. Do I want to put plastic down or put some sort of marine? I've watched some videos on where they take some wax and marine grade wax stuff and helps it pop out the mold. I'm thinking the plastic, but we'll go from there. Got to clean off these pieces out the back here, so it's a little lighter when I go ahead and start cutting this up and getting it moved around. But sorry it's taking a little time, taking us a little bit of time to get back to this. We've just been a little busy with other things, you know, life, work, etc. But yeah, we'll be back. We're gonna get the show on the road here pretty soon and see what happens.